All right. I hope we do see a one of one. That would be awesome. I've never pulled one, so it's something that's on my ripping bucket list. So I'd be happy to pull it for someone else. How did everyone's teams do today? Besides my own.
Tough look.
We'll just wait a minute or two here before we read off the teams and get going. Now we'll go look at mine.
Is it worse?
I'm not losing by as much, but I scored like no points.
Can I even see other? No. Toilet bowl.
Andrew and Nolan are down there too.
Yeah.
All right, I'll just go ahead and get started here reading off the teams so everyone can maybe get some Sunday night football in here. So it looks like the Cardinals went to Timmy S, Falcons, Phil S, Ravens, Brian O, Bills, Ryan B, Panthers, Grayson S, Bears, Emmanuel C, Bengals, Ryan B, Browns, Charlie M, Cowboys, Troy V, Broncos, Michael F, Lions, David G, Packers, Daniel R, Texans, David H, Colts, Timmy S, Jaguars, Michael F, Chiefs, Micah B, Raiders, Timmy S, Chargers, Jason F, Rams, Jennifer W, Dolphins, Matthew F, Vikings, Ryan B, Pats, Ben K, Saints, David H, Giants, David H, Jets, Tracy F, Eagles, John D, Steelers, Michael F, 49ers, Matthew F, Seahawks, Brian O, Bucks, Michael F, Titans, Brian O, and football team, Jennifer W. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's get started here. Zach Wilson. Yeah, he had a pretty good game today. Definitely a good start for most of the rookie QBs. So we can get this out here. Pack's tipped over a little bit there. All right. Started off here with a Calvin Ridley. There's a Russell Wilson. There's an Aaron Rodgers. Out of 249 for the Packers. Dark Horses. Nice card there. Then we got a Jared Goff. And a TJ Watt on the back. And Kid Reporter. Looks like we got one of our jersey cards here. Got Baker. There's a nice rookie card, Michael Carter for the Jets out of 399. Let's see. Oh, might just be a filler here. It is. And we got a Russ seal of approval. It's a CeeDee Lamb and a Damian Harris. Right, we got something green here behind this Gibson. There's a Michael Strachan out of 5 for the Colts. Wow. There's a nice card for the Colts. And behind that, we got blue. Looks like a Zeke. Card's thick. A Zeke Stars. Then we got a Devontae Adams. And a Deshaun Watson. So the first off the line insert, I believe, is out of 22. I want to say. Okay, got Devontae Parker. Here's another numbered card. Colts. Is it Carson Wentz out of 99? All right. Oh, there we go. That's a nice looking Trevor there. First rookie hit. Those spray painted cards are awesome. Nice hit there for the Jags. Darius Slayton and Lamar Jackson. Have yet to see an auto or an jersey card here. Looks like it's saving them all for the end. Here we go. Hopefully here's one. Got Derek Carr. Go from the bottom. Quarterback Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. Second year card. It's jersey numbered out of 299 there. Good game today from Jalen. Then we got a Derrick Henry gold team for the Titans. A Drew Lock. And an Ayuk. Oh, it's two of them. Two first off the lines. Sweet. We should have a couple of good cards coming up here then. Well, this is a thick pack. Still got two autos and a jersey left then. Oh, that one is thick. That is thick, thick. Okay, Devin White. Broncos, Jerry Jeudy. Alright, let's see here. Oh, that is a nice looking card there. Out of 10. Football, is that game used? Closed is not from any specific game or event. Oh, and then after that, a Trey Lance out of 199 for the 49ers. There we go. All right. Got Brandon Cooks and Taysom Hill. There we go. Now we're heating up and getting some of our hits. Let's keep it going. All right, we got Jonathan Taylor. We might have another hit in here. Ooh, there's a numbered Jamar Chase for the Bengals out of 299. All right, get that one sleeved and top loaded. Got a, looks like a, filler here. It's a Derrick Henry seal of approval, Jamison Crowder, and a DeAndre Swift. All right, so we should have one jersey left, one auto left, and then the first off the line parallels. All right, we got Kirk. Oh, here's a gold. This should be out of 10. Looks like it's a Packer. It's going to be Eric Stokes. That's out of 15. 10 out of 15 there for the Packers. Got another Packer on the back. Rodgers. Dark horses there. Got Ryan Tannehill. And Cam Akers. Alright, got another thick pack here. This could be our next jersey. Got Joey B on the front. Oh, here it is. Is that a Dolphin there? And Jalen Waddle maybe, Tua? It's going to be a Jalen Waddle. There we go. Alright, let's see what we are working with here. Oh, there we go, out of 25. Nice jersey card there. New generation. Definitely a nice hit for the Dolphins. Then we got a J.K. Dobbins after that. That nice design insert there. Myles Garrett and a DJ Moore. All right, last pack. So I'd assume our out of 22's in here, right?
I think so. Should be.
And then we should have an auto too.
Yeah.
All right, so this should be a good pack here. Good luck, everybody.
Thick card again.
Thick card here. Got Jalen Hurts, number 231, Browns. It's an Anthony Schwartz there. Nice card there. That is going to be out of 30 there. There we go. Nice rookie. He had a good game today. Aaron Rodgers, gold team. Myles Gaskin, and Allen Robinson. So I'm guessing our first off the line was one of that out of 15. Or 5 then, correct?
Yeah.
So either the Eric Stokes. Jamar. I'm guessing that's probably the first off the line. I'm not sure which one they would classify it as. But we got the Jamar Chase numbered. Trey Lance out of 199. Trevor Lawrence. There's our Michael Strachan out of 5. That could be it too. If you get a card numbered less than 22, they just count it. Michael Carter and Aaron Rodgers there, as well as a couple others. Got to get penny sleeves for Jalen Hurts. Got that Anthony Schwartz. Nice 2-color patch. Got Jalen Waddle out of 35. And the Jerry Jeudy out at 10. All right. Well, thank you everyone for joining in today. It was a fun little rip there. We will hopefully see you soon. We got another select basketball break here on Wednesday, I believe is what it's scheduled for. But hope to see you all again soon and have a good rest of your night. And then go ahead and enjoy some Sunday night football.